Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on GPS and choosing high-accuracy positioning so the feed is meaningful. Next, open the app you'll use and grant location and background permissions. Without those, sharing stops when you close the app. Once done, select the contact or group, choose live location sharing, and pick a clear duration like 15 minutes or 1 hour. Make sure to confirm the share prompt. This verifies consent and creates the active link you'll monitor. You now verify the live feed. Compare the map pin to nearby landmarks or the visible street sign so you know the position matches reality. Check the app's timestamp and GPS accuracy in meters to judge precision. Low accuracy means more error. Once done, open the same share link on a second device or ask a trusted person to view it simultaneously. That cross-check ensures the location updates correctly and reveals any lag or mismatch in real time. When your check is complete, stop sharing immediately, and if privacy matters, remove background location access. If the map is inaccurate, first toggle GPS off and on, then restart the app. Next, try switching Wi-Fi networks or enabling airplane mode briefly to force a new fix. Make sure to capture screenshots with timestamps before ending the session. Those records help resolve disputes. If problems persist, reboot the device and retry. That clears stale location caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.